Good morning, children. The topic for today's class is adjusting volume and setting date and time. By learning this topic, you can customize your Windows desktop by yourself. So, what we are going to customize now is one is volume, another one is date and time. First, I am telling you how to adjust volume. So, for that, the first step is you should locate the volume icon. Can you remember our earlier class? In our earlier class, ma'am taught you from where we can find volume and date and time icons. Yes, can you remember it? Very good. Your answer is correct. The volume icon is present in taskbar. So now I am moving to taskbar. See, this icon is volume icon. If you want to adjust volume, adjust means either you can increase the volume or you can reduce the volume. So for that, you should click on the volume icon. If you click on the volume icon, you will get the slider. You will get the slider. In the slider, for adjusting volume or for increasing volume, you should move the mouse towards right side. For decreasing volume, you should move the mouse towards left side. For increasing, right side. For decreasing, left side. In this way, you should adjust the volume. The first one is over. Next, we should change the date and time. So how to set date and time? See, currently the date is 23/8/2021, 9:28 p.m. Suppose you want to see your own birth calendar, your own birth year calendar. So how we can change the calendar? For setting or changing the calendar, we should go to start button, click on it. Now this is icon pan. In this icon pan, you should choose settings. If you choose settings, the settings page will be opened. And out of more than 10 settings, for changing time and date, you should choose time and language. Now I am clicking on time and language. Now we have the option set the date and time manually. See here, for changing the calendar year to your own birth year, you should click on change. If you click on change, it will open another dialog box. And in this dialog box, you should choose your birth date or birth year alone. So whatever you need, you can change. For example, now I'm moving to 2020 and I'm going to set the time as same as here. Then give change. Now I changed the calendar to 2020 year. So where we can look at the changes happened. Yes, again in the date and time icon present in taskbar. Simply click on the date icon. It will display you the year changed. In previous case, the year was 2021. Now I changed it to 2020. So in this way, you should change date and time. Okay, children. So these are the two icons. By clicking on these two icons, we can adjust the volume and also change the time. Thank you.